Well, good Saturday morning. It's now 7:16, and let's go ahead and talk about the tropics first. We're continuing to watch two tropical waves, the one closer to home. Right now, it is meandering over the Caribbean Sea very slowly. As we take a look here, it has a low chance of development. It's not going to do much this weekend, but as we go through next week, it has a 20% chance of tropical development. So here's the highlighted hatched area from the National Hurricane Center where this thing could possibly develop. This will be a slow developing system because it'll be running into a little bit of wind shear. And looking at the long range models here, we're looking out until Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday where this thing could try to get its act together. A lot of long range models, we're looking at 5, 6, 7 days out. It does take it into the Gulf of Mexico, but keep in mind that long out, models really cannot be trusted. So we'll continue to watch that there. It doesn't really look like much. It is an area of disorganized showers and thunderstorms at the moment. We're also looking at another wave here, really moving over the Atlantic basin, an area of disorganized showers and thunderstorms as well. And it has a low chance of development as we go through the next 2 to 5 days. And there's that hatched area where it could potentially develop. And I also popped up the Saharan dust. So there's a ton of Saharan dust over the area. And anytime we have Saharan dust, that is going to inhibit any tropical development there. So we'll continue to watch those two waves. So that tropical wave here over the Caribbean Sea, it is surrounded by dry air, so this thing is going to struggle as we go through the rest of the weekend and also next week. Sea surface temperatures, it is fairly warm. We're looking at sea surface temperatures around 84, 85 degrees in the Caribbean, so it definitely has the fuel to get its act together, but there's also other factors it will need as well to become a tropical system. So here we are approaching the end of August as we head into September, and mid-September is the peak of hurricane season where we'll begin to see things really start to ramp up in the tropics. And just to note, it's been 55 days without a named storm. The last named storm was Tropical Storm Colin, and that formed back in the beginning of July. And the record set back in 1999 is 61 days. So we're close to that. We'll see what happens.